Now today in this video we'll be starting with lines and angles. Now for lines and angles, the first thing we should know is what is a line, line segment and ray. Okay, we should know the difference between these two. So the line is this, children. Sorry, the line is this, okay, which can be extended on both sides, extended on both sides, and it has no end point. Okay, it can be extended on both sides and it has no end point. Line segment, it has two end points and can't be extended and has a fixed length. Okay, and what is a ray? It has one end point extended from one side, no fixed length. Okay, so for studying lines and angles, this is the first thing we should know. Then we should know what an angle is. Okay, what is an angle? Right. Now an angle is formed when two rays they have a common vertex. Okay, when two rays they have the common vertex, then that figure is called as an angle, and it is measured in degrees. Okay, the angle is measured in degrees. Now we will be studying the types of angles for moving along this, for solving the sums in this chapter. The types of angles now. The first is complementary. Okay, complementary means the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Okay, such angles are called as complementary angles. Then you have supplementary. Okay, sum of two angles is 180 degree. Right, when the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. Then we come to adjacent angles. That is very important. Okay, then we come to adjacent angles. That is very important. What are adjacent angles? Now see, when the two angles are such that they have adjacent angles. Okay, when the two angles are such that they have a common vertex, this is a common vertex. Okay, one point they have a common vertex. Okay, then the second is they have a common arm. This was a common vertex and they have a common arm also. Means the angle has two arms. These are the two arms of this angle and these are the two arms of this angle, and this is a common arm which is in both the angles, so they should have a common arm. The other is the non-common arms. The arms which are not common, they should be on either side of the common one. Okay, so the non-common should be on either side of common arm. Right, so these are the requirements which should be fulfilled by the adjacent angles. Examples on complementary and supplementary angles. You have to find the complement of, suppose, 63 degrees. Right, So the complement of 63 degrees will be 90 minus 63 because the sum of complementary angles is 90 degree. So 90 minus 63, 10 minus 3 is 7, 8 minus 6 is 2. So 27 degrees is the complement of 90 degree. Okay. Then another example is you have to find the supplement of 87 degrees. This was the complement and you have to find the supplement of 87 degrees. So 180 minus 87 because the sum of supplementary is 180 degrees, right? So 10 minus 7 is again 3 and 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, so 93 degrees is the supplement of 87 degrees. Now you may be asked to check the pair of angles is given and you may be asked to check whether it is a pair of complementary or it is a pair of supplementary angles. So see the example. Suppose you have a pair 112 and 68. So you have to check whether it is a pair of complementary or it is a pair of supplementary angles. So you will add and see. So 8 and 2 is 10. 6 and 1 7 and 1 8. 180 degree. So it's a pair of supplementary angles. Okay. If the sum comes out to be 90 degree, then we will write it's a pair of complementary angles. Now some related problems to complementary and supplementary angles. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. So let the equal angles be x each. Okay. So x plus x, they are complement. So their sum will be 90 degree. They are complementary. So 2x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degrees. Okay. So similarly you can do for the supplementary angles also. Now another example is, this was one question, one more question related to complementary and supplementary. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are obtuse? Right. Two angles are obtuse. Can they be supplementary? So obtuse means more than 90 degree, right? And sum of supplementary is 180 degree. Now if both the angles are 90 plus 90 makes 180, and if both are greater than 90 degree, then their sum will also be greater than 180, which is not possible if they are supplementary, right? So 90 plus 90 we know 180, but if both the angles are obtuse, that is they are more than 90 degree, so their sum will also be greater than 90 degree, which is not possible for the supplementary angles, because the supplementary angle, the sum of the angles is 180 degree, right?